Alright guys, despite the weather, came out this morning and got some work done. As you can see, everything is removed. Mufflers and the cats. I was hesitant about removing the cats because I was concerned about the oxygen sensors. However, these cats, I don't believe they are oxygen sensors in these cats. See what we got over here? Okay. Now they're connected with a rubber hose on the end. Okay, which was great. I was able to slice the holes. I can replace that. Okay. Now, these, I believe, go up to the top and they're connected to the forced air pumps. Okay, so this is some kind of pollution shit that came out with 1990. So these are not oxygen sensors. Alright, inside the pipe goes across here and there's little holes in it. Okay, so, but as you can see from the still photo, that cat is clogged. Hope you can see it. That cat is clogged, pretty solid. This one I can't see it's clogged or not. I had to cut it like this because if I would have cut it here, I wouldn't have had enough meat to patch it back together. So I had to cut it on a straight, where it was straight, the pipe is straight. I had to cut it and I could piece it back together. That one I was able to do. Mufflers also, pick those mufflers up and shake them, and it sounds like a freaking bingo machine with things going around. So I know that's full of shit too. Alright, as you can see from the still picture, a lot of stuff came out, especially this one here. A lot of stuff came pouring out as soon as I cut it off. So it's all broken up in there, and undoubtedly, and it's clogged. This one here, I believe is at least partially clogged. I hooked my big shop vac to it and blew it out, and the pressure was not 100% by no means. So, anyways, I'm happy about these rubber hoses. I was concerned about these things, having to cut the metal and resplice it together with the rubber hose and make it awful easier. So I'm going to try to clean them out 100%, get them empty, and reinstall them, and then put straight pipes from that back to the to two new mufflers. So that's where I'm at with this mess. One more time, I'll show you some of the mess. I cleaned some of it up, but that's the crap that came pouring out. As soon as that muffler came down, that cat came down, that stuff came pouring out, and I was very cautious not to get it on myself or inhale it. I don't know what the hell it is, if it's dangerous or not, but so that's the story, guys. This freaking rain would give me a break. I could get this job done, but this rain's not giving me a break. So that's where I'm at with the Dodge. Definitely, I believe I solved the problem, and actually started it up very, very loud, obviously. Started it up, and it did idle for about 10-15 minutes without stalling, holding at about 700, 800 RPM. So I feel pretty good about this, and we'll see where we go from here. Thanks for watching, guys. Book 'em.